Hi guys, I'm Evalyn and today I'm going to, my sister here is going to show you how to milk a goat.
Yep, I'm Adalaid and I'm going to show you how we milk our goat. This right here is Phoebe. She looks like she doesn't really want to get milked right now. And this is Faline, her best friend. Right.
Okay, now try to explain how you're supposed to squeeze it.
Okay, so you start from the top and then just work your way and squeeze down.
You have to pull a little bit, right?
And you have to pull a little bit. You have to get at least 2 squeezes out because you don't want to get that stuff in the jar.
She's a power milker. She being bad?
Yes, she just stepped on me. Be a nice girl. Just like that.
And now we're going to let her out of her little stand.
You just gotta lift up the latch and go like that. Simple as can be.
Okay, and now it's time to water the goats. She must be thirsty. The dogs don't like the goats. All right. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.